What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one because we're going to be talking about Toyota actually listening to its customers for the first time in a very long time. If you're at all interested in today's video, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription because we're going to be talking about everything Toyota has listened to and is implementing, and also what this means for the newer generation cars. So I'm super excited. Let's get right into today's video. This video really impacts two types of people: content creators such as I, but also Toyota enthusiasts such as I. I am super excited that Toyota is finally listening to anybody but themselves. Reliable, dependable vehicles. Cool. But we want a little bit more, Toyota. There's a couple points where Toyota is listening to us and they're actually trying to give us what we want. And with that being said, that gives me a lot of hope for the next trucks to come. Let me tell you guys about some of the stuff they listen to and some of the stuff they've done that give me hope for the future. Because after all, a lot of the time when we talk about getting a new car, getting a new truck, we kind of don't have much faith or much hope in Toyota because we feel like they're going to give us an extra USB charger instead of an actual upgrade that we need. I don't know how directly these two teams work together. They're both under Toyota. So let me explain. So you know how we have TRD, right? Toyota Racing Development, but there's also GR. Now GR is like the more sporty thing of Toyota. Toyota has like a sporty car. It's called the 86. That 86 is coming out with a GR model. Also, the Supra has a GR model. And in UK, they have a GR Yaris. What does that mean? What is that important to us for, Aing? You dummy? Okay, listen. It's important because they are actually stepping out of their comfort zone and making the reliable cars faster and stronger. Now, coming back to the TRD realm, where you and I are more comfortable in, the Tacoma now has a TRD lift kit from the factory that you can get warranty on, installed at Toyota. Now, it may be a little bit pricey. I'm not too sure on the pricing just yet, but they're offering you a lift kit. You can get a brand new truck, smack a lift kit on there, and you're good to go. But not only that, so they see that we're trying to be off-roady. They see we're trying to do more things off-road. They're also giving us a little trailer to go to the back of the Tacomas. Now, I don't know how soon that's gonna come out, but I do see Toyota announced it, and it looks super cool. So what does that mean? They see that the Toyota is the king, right? It is the king of the mid-size pickup truck. People buy them and customize them. It would just make sense for them to do this, right? To put their own parts in and make more money. This is super cool because what does that mean for next generation's Tacoma? What does this mean for next generation Tundra? I'm sure you guys know Ford has the Ford Raptor. They were the king of the full size for a long time. Not to me, Tundra is still the best. You know, you and I, we're on the same page. But Dodge came out with the TRX. So maybe Toyota will come out with the supercharged V8. You know, I really believe that. I really did believe this until I said it now. I don't think that's going to happen. But we can always hope. What does that mean for the future of Toyota? What does that mean for the next Tacoma? A very solid V6, if not a very good 4-cylinder turbo, don't hurt me please. If not a front locking diff, at least a center locking diff, and a rear locking differential on their off-road models. I'm assuming like 1 to 2 other lift kit options. It just gives me a lot of hope in Toyota. And I hope that they keep doing this because it makes people talk about them, makes people excited, and me as a content creator gives me more content. So I'm super excited to see what Toyota has to do, and it reveals moving forward as we get closer and closer to this Tundra release date. Toyota lift kit's only like 2 inches, so it's a little bit short. It's a little bit small for me, and really with 2 inches, you can't do much, but it's the effort that counts. We're giving them an A+ for effort. Toyota, we like it. We understand, you know, you're just trying to get your feet wet, but boy, jump in the pool. They used to have Magnuson superchargers on their TRD Pro Tundras and on their TRD Pro Tacoma. Imagine this, their last year of their V6, they're like, okay, look guys, we're gonna put a 4-cylinder in the next generation, but for this year only, 2022, we're giving you guys a V6 supercharged lifted Tacoma. I mean, if they do this, I deserve at least 10% of sales. You and I want a faster Tacoma. If they offered it, we would buy it. It makes no sense not to. with that being said, I'm super excited with what Toyota has to bring, and I'm going to keep you guys posted on any cool little snippets and little things that they bring out, because these two things are small, right? But it's just going to keep playing out to one bigger picture, and I'm excited and I can't wait for it. So please let me know if you guys know of anything else that Toyota is doing, anything cool that we can talk about in the comment section. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.